Hello everyone. If you have any pain in the knee, go to the quads. Okay? The quads are the thigh muscles. Okay? Quad meaning 4 giant behemoth muscles that help us stand and walk and all sorts of things. But the thing is that they're usually really tight, pretty angry, and the weakest link in that joint is the knee. So if you have any pain, achy pain or sharp pain, arthritis, you've had knee surgery, you're waiting for knee surgery, you started walking and all of a sudden it's just like, I'm going to hurt today, go to the quads. The ball is a little too small for the quads. You can, if you want, you can kind of roll that ball on top, but I like to use something a little bit wider, which is a dumbbell. It's nice. This is 10 pounds, but really what I'm going to use it for is rolling like this. So that 10-pound weight plus my own upper body strength will help knead out any knots because there's 4 muscles. Yes, definitely go right down the center. You'll hit something. When you do, find it, dig it out, push like this. But then make sure you tilt to the outside. That's going to be pretty unhappy, pretty grumpy, usually quite close to the knee joint itself. And then also go to the inside. Usually tender fleshy bits. Never go on the knee joint, but pretty darn close to it. And then all the way up to that hip flexor, if it'll go. This is a 10-pound dumbbell. If you have something smaller than that, like 5s and 2s, you might not have a wide enough dumbbell to go on the thigh itself. And that's when you throw in a rolling pin, like a literal rolling pin from your kitchen. Go and grab it, and then like bread, naughty bread dough, roll out your quadriceps. And when you find a nasty spot, you want to focus on that. You can tilt it side to side. You can roll up and down, put a decent amount of pressure. Be careful with your shoulder, your neck, and your wrists, because with the rolling pin, you don't have that 10 pounds help. And the other thing is you can get really quite involved in digging out that knot, and a lot of the pressure comes from our wrists when we push down on it. So keep your shoulders relaxed. Use your torso as body weight to do that rather than leaning back and just trying to get the arms to do most of that work. 1 to 5 minutes on this leg, 1 to 5 minutes on the other. Right from start to finish. Start up here as high as you can go, all the way down. That middle part, outside part, inside part. You're going to find some nasty stuff. Dig it out. They'll be happier. Your knee will thank you. If you have any questions, please let me know. Thanks so much for watching. Bye for now.